Hey, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy cheesy St. Patrick's hat out of a paper plate. Stay tuned. Alright, thanks for joining us today. All you need is a paper plate. What you want to do is take the paper plate and fold it, just like this, in half. And you're going to see a circle that is already made in most paper plates. And you can use that as a template later on. So, right now what you want to do is you're going to draw a half of a shamrock. So I'm going to draw a line here. Excuse me, kitty. I'm trying to make a show here. So let's move the kitty over here a little bit. Alright, all you have to do is make the stem that comes out about like that. And then a shamrock leaf is almost like the shape of a heart. Like that. So that is one of them. So now you want to do the one that comes toward the top. And that is almost like a half of a heart. Comes in like that. Alright. And now what you're going to do is you're going to cut all around this circle here. And just for right now, I'm just going to kind of, you don't have to outline it, but just for the show, I'm going to kind of outline this line here. And you're going to cut this out. Okay. So let me get my scissors. And you can make your shamrock bigger to fill in this part, or you can make it smaller, whatever shape you want to do. So when I'm cutting, I usually like to keep my scissors in one position, and then I turn the paper that I am cutting. This makes it easier to cut the different shapes that you have to do. So St. Patrick's Day is coming, and I wonder what you're going to be wearing during St. Patrick's Day. Are you going to wear something green? Well, with this, you will have your St. Patrick's Day hat, all designed and ready to go. So now I'm going to open this up, and you'll see there is the outline of your shamrock. Now, there are two sides to a paper plate. There is kind of a smooth, glossy side, and on the other side is kind of just the regular rough paper side. And I'm going to demonstrate something, and I'm going to put a crayon on the glossy side, and you can see it's not really showing up too good, and the crayon is kind of a waxy, and it rubs right off. So I found by taking the crayon and coloring on the dull white side, you'll get better results. Now I used a black marker just to show up on this video, but you don't have to use that black marker. And if you do see the blackness, we can always cut that out of there or trace around with the green crayon. And now you get to have fun coloring in here. I'm going to color here just in case if I go off I won't color on my counter. So let me grab a piece of paper here. So if you're doing this on a desk, it's always nice to have a piece of paper on the bottom of it so you don't color your desk and get in trouble from your teacher. Hey, why are you coloring on your desk? You're supposed to color your hat. Well, you know when you're coloring you make little boo-boos, you make little mistakes, and so now you don't have to worry about it. Hey, Mr. Teacher, look I'm going to have a clean desk. Now you can also color the hat, not the hat, but the rim part here. I don't know what my cat is doing there. The cat always wants to be in the show. And you'll notice that I'm going to try this on. So I'm going to take my hat off right now. And you'll notice that my hat, when I put it down here, the outer part here that I cut around is much bigger because I got a big head. And if I tried to put this on right now, it's not going to fit. that going to fit you, kitty? I think it's going to fit the kitty pretty good. So I will show you how to fix that. So what I recommend is that you, well, first you do a project without your cat walking around. So what you want to do is first you do that circle, and if you see that you need a bigger circle to fit your head, just fold this up again and then cut out a little bigger slot. Let's try this. Yeah, that works out a lot better. What do you think there, Abby? Our name of our cat is Abby. Say, thanks a lot for watching the show today. This is an easy cheesy lemon squeezy way to make a St. Patrick's hat. Make sure you check out our other videos. We have some other cool videos for St. Patrick's Day. Also, Easter's coming up. Gonna have some cool drawing videos for that. And like always, have a fun day. Bye-bye. Adios.